Hi again. Today we're going to make a dish called barbecue 5-spice chicken wings. Well, I'm doing it on chicken wings, but you can use chicken thighs or chicken breast as you like. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. This 5-spice barbecue chicken wings is a dish that I've been making since I was a teenager, and it used to be very popular at home, but now I think 5-spice powder is a bit common for me. But I'm doing it today, so it brings back memories, and it's a very interesting old-fashioned dish, I would call. So let's go and see what it takes to make this 5-spice barbecue chicken wings in this case. So let's go. We'll need 1 kilo of chicken wings or chicken breast or chicken thighs as you like. Remove the feathers and clean it, or you can use skinless and boneless chicken thighs or chicken drumsticks or chicken breast. Cut the chicken wings at the joint to get 2 pieces, or leave it whole. Here are some thighs with bone on. Then prepare the marinade. 20 grams ginger, 20 grams shallots. You can use normal shallots or banana shallots. 20 grams garlic. Clean it and cut it into small pieces and pound it in a pestle and mortar. The amount is too small to use a mini chopper or a blender. So here it is, pound it until you get a smooth paste. Pour it onto the chicken. Now we'll add in 2 tablespoons of 5-spice powder, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of runny honey, or if you don't have, you can use maple syrup or golden syrup. Half teaspoon white pepper powder and a teaspoon of salt. Massage the marinade into the chicken. Make sure all the pieces are coated with the marinade. If you're still around, that means you find the video useful. I'll appreciate any clicks and subscribe. Thank you. Keep on watching and see how I cook it. Cover it with a cling film and marinate it in the fridge. Marinate it for at least 2 hours, or if possible, overnight. If you marinate it overnight, you got to turn it once. Remove the chicken 30 minutes before cooking. Arrange it in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with baking parchment or greaseproof paper. Place it in a preheated grill 180 degrees Celsius. Take it out after 6 to 7 minutes. Flip the wings over and grill for another 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, here it is after the second grilling. Let's give it a little check. We'll cut the wings to see if it's cooked. Well, it's cooked, but with a little bit of redness, which is perfect. We're going to glaze it with honey and we're going to grill it again. Brush the wings with honey and grill it again for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from the grill. Flip the wings over one more time and brush with honey. Here we are after the final round of 3 to 4 minutes grilling with honey glaze. It's still bubbling away. I can hear the sizzling sound. If you're using a barbecue, place the chicken over high heat and sizzle it for 1 or 2 minutes and turn over and sizzle for another 1 to 2 minutes again. Then 6 minutes on both sides on low. Cooking time is a guide only, as all grills and barbecues are different. I like to serve it with chopped spring onion and coriander sprinkled on top, and it can be served this way if I'm feeding a big crowd. I can always plate up nicely and be more genteel. Sprinkle with more fresh herbs. I also grill some root vegetables to serve alongside. Nice! So I've got here with me the chicken wings, which I already bit. I can't wait, I was too hungry. Well, I wasn't too hungry. I can't wait because I was a bit greedy. So let's go. It's got some, I put some honey there, and I put some of the what do you call it, the marinade on top. So I'm gonna eat it. The chicken wing is very soft. It just falls off the bone and it's really tasty. So the next time when you're doing barbecue, you can use this and you can barbecue it. So this is a good one to have in summer. So okay, until the next time, I'll see you again. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place of fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you find my videos useful. So ciao for now. Thank you, 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 thank you.